Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you how to use Canva for making your own phone's wallpaper. So this is the Canva app. Here you will get layouts for creating any kind of designs. You will get templates for any kind of social networking websites, and these are some of my designs which I have created for my job and for my own personal use as well. For my own website, this is my wallpaper which I'll try to recreate. This looks like this. I have this on my laptop as well. Now let's try out something similar to this. uh, these are all my designs. You can create CV as well. This is my CV. You will get all the templates for everything over here in this app. This is beneficial for the people who are working on social media and who want to go into the profession of digital marketing, and who are content writers or bloggers, or even if you are an YouTuber, you can use this very much. It is useful for almost all your social media websites, from Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can have everything. This also has logo templates and layouts, and you can also make desktop wallpapers over here as well. So let's first create something. I want to create something with rose. So let's see, maybe I'll change my mind later on. So let's find a image of a rose. So yeah, what is the spelling of the rose? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's yeah, ROSE, rose. And now let's go. Okay, so here are some of the pictures, but I want to take my picture from Unsplash. I'll tell about Unsplash later in one of my videos. I use this a lot for getting my high quality pictures. I use it in my blog as well. So here are some pictures of roses, and I'm thinking which one will look the best, but I don't know whether I am actually going to use the picture of a rose. But I'll just show you the process of how you can use one image, then change the background and use it on Canva, which I normally do when I'm creating something for any social media posts. Like, I'll download one image, a copyright free image from Unsplash, and then move on to making it a post for a social media account, maybe Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Mostly I use it for Pinterest, because Pinterest, it has to be a good image. On Instagram I use it for making stories. So here is the picture, I have downloaded it. Now I'll move on to this background eraser app. This is very easy to use. It is quite although it looks very boring, but it is very useful. I have used this couple of times. So here I am just making a square around the object I want to use. The background will be erased. Like, you have to use the eraser. So here are the auto, magic, repair, these things. I'm going to use the auto one because it's quite fast, so I'll just use it. This one, the app only finds out which places are meant to be erased, so it is doing like this. You can zoom in and erase all the parts you don't want, like this. I've zoomed in a little bit more, but these lines are not easy to remove. I'll remove the other parts like this. You have to just drag the cursor and it will do its work like this. So yeah, you can use it very well. For some pictures it will be very easy, but for some pictures it will be a little bit time taking. If you are good with Adobe Photoshop, you can use it over there as well. but as I am always on the go, I use this app to clear out any background of an image. So this is the rose, but this portion, so I'll just use the mm, manual tool, maybe, yeah, manual tool, and then I'll just erase the rest like this. So yeah, it is quite easy. Once you are done, you can take a look. If you do mistake, you can just redo it. Then I'll just click on done. Yeah, so once, then I'll increase the bleeding area, then it's done. I have to just save it. It's already saved, it will save it on your gallery. Then I'll open the Canva app. There are more features for the premium users, but I'm a free user, so let's find the template for phone wallpaper. This is the template, like it will be for your phone's size. You can use the pre-made templates set as well, but I'm going to use a white background for now. I like the color white, so I want a very clean and whitish kind of background. Here are some of the things, options you can use to design your wallpaper. So here it is. You have to click on the plus sign in the at the bottom, then you will be taken to one menu. So here you will get template, uploads, photos, then elements, text, stickers, audio, videos, gallery, background, folders, and more. Here, although you don't need to use all of these things, mostly you will use the upload option. So here I already have that picture of rose. I'll just upload it over here. It's now being uploaded. So now I have to wait a little bit. Okay, so it's uploaded. Now I'll just click on it and it will appear right in front of the background. You can adjust its position. At the bottom you will find the color changing, and now I'm going to use one element. Now you can search any kind of element. There are many free ones. I'm going to use the mandala one, which I have already used in the past. I'm trying to recreate the same wallpaper I have used for my laptop, but with a rose, but I don't think it is looking very good, isn't it? So let's see what we can make of it. Now I'll just adjust this mandala on the top. I don't like it to be black, so I'll just change its color. I'm fixing its place properly. I want it in the top and bottom corner. Now I'll just use the color changing tool. You can see all the other tools which are over there, but for now I need to change its color. So I'll just make it a bit grayish instead of too dark. It will look like this. It's looking a bit red, so I'll just drag it over there, and now it's a little bit gray. I'll fix it properly on the upper corner, and you can duplicate it like this. Now duplicate button is just beside the dustbin button in the very beginning. That is the duplicate button. You can use the same image like this, and now I'm just blurring it out a little bit. This is the blur tool, transparency it is called. So you are just transparenting it, and with this rose I don't think it is looking that good, but let's see. Let's make a happy rose stay kind of a wallpaper. Let's see. Okay, so I think the rose is adjusted right. Now I want to add some text. Okay, you can use this background change, color change thing. If you don't like white like me, You can obviously apply any color you want. Now yeah, so I want to go for the white only. It is looking pretty. I have adjusted the rows a little bit. Now let's go for the text. Here you will find the texts which are free. These are the like trendy handwritings which are like top trends right now. There are some premium versions as well, like this one. These are a bit costly. Like if you really want to use any particular design, then you have to be a premium user. I like this one, so I'm going to use it. I use it in most of my designs. So I'll just write happy rose day, perhaps. Yeah, happy rose day, or something else, maybe dream big. No, happy rose day is fine, so I'll go for that. Now in the bottom also some text, I don't need those, so I'll erase it. Now let's select it properly, and you can use the font color change option. I want a black color, so here it is, black, happy rose day. You have to then adjust the positioning of the text. You can make it bigger or smaller according to your wish. You can extend it a little bit like this. Yeah, so here you go. But is it looking good? I don't think this rose is looking nice, but this one will make a fabulous story, WhatsApp story or Instagram story. But I'm going to remove it and change the text. I'm going to remake the one I have already made. So let's write think positive, and in the bottom I'll write everything is fine. Yeah, you cannot see, right? Let me bring it closer. Okay, everything is fine. It's in white, but I'll change the font color very soon, so I'll just select it, and now I'll find the font color change. So here is the font change. You can use the black color, black contrasting color for the white. Now I'll position it, and now the old element which I have used before as well for this design, this flower or a grape thing, I don't know what it is, so it looks pretty. It's contrasting to the white background, and so I'll just position it over here. And this is one clean one wallpaper. You can adjust the text like this. So how is it, guys? Like this you can use different elements, and here are some stickers also you can use. I'm not going to use, I'm just showing you people how you can write down any name of elements you want. Like these are lines which you can use in your work, in a design. Then you can use word stickers. These are some things which are already present. If you want something else, then you can write it down over there. Like I'm writing mandala, which I frequently use, but okay, this one, only the one I have, it is showing, but it's due to my internet connection it is not showing. But you will get many designs of mandalas over here. They will be in various colors. Most of them are in whites, but you can change the color by using the color tool. You can use other things, like here I have written lotus. Anyway, my internet is not working fine. You can use the animation tool also if you want like a GIF kind of image, then, but I don't want right now, so here you go. This is my final wallpaper. I'm not going to do anything else. Let me see the tools if anything is there. Okay, so here these are the link tools. If you want to link one website or any website link, you can do that as well. These are the effects. It is showing the background remover, which I have already used with a free app, so no need of that. Now let's just look at anything I want to use. I guess not text, sand, stickers, no, nothing. So I'm just going to save my design like this. So it will take some time, little bit, yes. And now it's saved. You can directly share from this place, and here my design is saved. Now I'm going to change it and use it as my phone's wallpaper. Here is the picture, and now I'm going to use the settings options to set it as the wallpaper. And here you go, I'll set both for my lock screen and my phone wallpaper, and here it is. So thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.